Hi guys, today I'll be preparing urad dal vada. So to prepare urad dal vada or medu vada, the main thing we need is urad dal. So I have taken here split urad dal. If you have whole urad dal, that would be the best thing. So I have used 2 cups of split urad dal here and I have soaked it in water for around 2 hours. So once you soak it in water, it enlarges like this. So we have split soaked urad dal here. Now I am going to drain this water and grind it into a fine paste, adding very less water. Please note that you should not add too much of water while grinding, but you should add enough water so that it grinds well in mixie. So I have grinded the urad dal into a fine paste by adding enough water. So the paste should be this thick. So to this batter I am adding onions, green chilli and chopped curry leaves. To this I am adding crushed peppercorns. Salt for taste. Keep adding water as you mix this. Still, the consistency should be thick. So our medu vada batter is ready. Now let's fry these vadas. Before frying the urad dal vada, to make a hole, here I am using the tea strainer. So I'll dip this strainer into water and I will be putting the batter over here and I'll be putting a hole in the middle. For that, we should note that the oil should not be very hot. Once the oil starts heating up, then itself we have to drop the medu vadas into this to fry. So I have taken the batter here. So I will be making a hole for the batter. Similarly, we have to add the batter for frying. Once the vada falls into the oil to get fried, you have to dip this strainer again in water before you put a new batter onto it. So every time you have to keep dipping the strainer, otherwise the batter will stick onto the strainer. I am going to adjust the flame into medium and let the vadas fry into golden brown. Our medu vadas are ready. Medu vada can be had with coconut chutney or onion chutney. It is a very crispy and tasty South Indian snack. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know how it was in the comment section below. If you would like to receive similar recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive a notification when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.